Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Rajni Chaudhary and in this particular video we will be discussing about thermal relay. A relay is a sensing device which is used to sense the abnormal condition. And therefore, by sensing that abnormal condition prevailing in the system, it isolates that faulty part of the system from the healthy one. The relay, after sensing the abnormal condition, gives a command to the circuit breaker so that that particular section of the circuit can be tripped out from the system. Thermal relay. Thermal relay is a device which is used to protect the electrical devices like motor and generator from catching the fire or burning out due to excessive heat produced during the operation. The relay has a bimetallic strip connected. Therefore, this bimetallic strip operates with the temperature. When the situation of overcurrent or overvoltage occurs, the bimetallic strip changes its shape and therefore it makes the connection so that the circuit can be tripped out and can be isolated from the system. Also, a spring is used in the system to hold the connection under the normal condition and therefore this spring inertia does not allow the relay to operate when there is no fault in the system or when the condition is normal. The bimetallic strip attached in the system regains its shape again after the temperature decreases or when the line is disconnected. So, the bimetallic strip attached changes its shape again according to the temperature increment or decrement. There are also various types of bimetallic strips and depending upon the configuration attained for the relay, the bimetallic strip can compress when get heated or it can expand when get heated. The picture here depicts the thermal relay configuration. As you can see, a bimetallic strip is connected. This bimetallic strip is being heated with the help of the heating coil. The heating coil is getting energized from the CT. Also, the spring connections are used to hold the relay contact at its position under the normal condition. Whenever the situation of overvoltage or overcurrent occurs, this is being reflected in the heating coil and this heating coil will compress the bimetallic strip. Since this bimetallic strip is temperature dependent, as the temperature increases, this bimetallic strip compresses and therefore the relay contacts are forced to make the contact, and once this contact are made, the trip circuit will get closed and therefore a command will be sent to disconnect the circuit from the electrical supply. Also, when the temperature decreases, this bimetallic strip regains its shape just like the normal condition one. Features of thermal relay. As said, thermal relays are used for providing the protection against overload and single phasing. Thermal relays have a facility of manual reset, so we can reset the thermal relay whenever it is desired. Thermal relays also have potentially free trip contacts. Now, how the overload situation or single phasing can lead to the operation of thermal relay. Overload is a situation when a machine is loaded beyond its rated capacity. And whenever a machine is loaded beyond its rated capacity, it starts drawing excessive amount of power from the electrical supply, which leads to problem of overcurrent. This overcurrent can lead to excessive heating and therefore the bimetallic strip can change the shape. Also, there is a possibility of winding insulation failure due to the overcurrent occurring as a result of overloading. Single phasing. Single phasing is a situation when one of the phase get disconnected and therefore the power is supplied with the help of the remaining two phases. In this situation also, there is a possibility of overcurrent which leads to excessive heating and winding insulation failure. And therefore, in this case also, the bimetallic strip will change its shape as a result of overcurrent occurring in the system. This is another picture depicting how the thermal relay is used in motor protection. When the current increases beyond the preset value, the heater element will change the shape of the bimetallic strip present, and therefore when the shape of the bimetallic strip is changed, this will make the connection with the trip unit, and once the connection is set up for the trip, the trip unit will either send the command to control the circuit or to completely disconnect the motor from the supply. As already told, the bimetallic strip operates with the temperature, and we know that whenever the situation of overcurrent occurs, temperature increases, and therefore the bimetallic strip will change the shape. And hence, in this way, the motor is saved from damages. Talking about the feature of the... With this, we end here only. In this video, we have discussed the operation of thermal relay and where the thermal relays are used for protection. For more videos, stay connected and thank you.